This is my Honda Nc750x. Just to let people know that it's a year old, and I wasn't too happy with the stock exhaust, so I went for this one off Anodizer Racing, which is a Chinese import. As you can see, it's a bit nice looking exhaust. It's quite noisy, which I will start the bike up shortly so you can hear it. Easy to fit, looks a lot better than the stock exhaust, and the noise is really nice, so I'm well impressed with it. It's made of 304 stainless steel, which is a very good quality stainless steel, which is surprising really from China. But anyway, right, we'll start the bike up and you can hear what sort of noises she makes. Sound the part and looks the part. Really finishing up the bike nicely. So if you want to get one of these, £76 on Amazon. Okay, alright, cheers. If you like it, please press like on this video, please. Thank you.